So if you build a website and you want to get it live on Hostinger, here is how to upload it using their file manager. Log into your Hostinger account, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, and here is your Hostinger. Now navigate to websites on the left. Now you are in your website section, and here should be your website. All you're gonna have to do is to find your website, and on the right you can find here tools. So go to tools and simply open file manager. Another way how you can do it is to just click the dashboard of that website, and there's also file manager section, so simply click it. Now we are in file manager and we want to click on upload in the right upper corner area, the arrow up. Click file, or you can do folder, and now simply find the HTML file on your computer. So I got some prepared, for example this one, and click on open. Now click this file and we want to rename it. So simply right click, click rename, and it should be named as index.html and click rename. If it's named anything else, visitors will get an error instead of your homepage. So now if your file is renamed, I'm gonna check my website, I'm gonna reload, and as you can see, there is an error. So I'm gonna go back and grab this index.html and move it to public HTML. Make sure you don't remove public HTML. If I double click it here, it's here. And now I'm gonna reload my page and my HTML code was loaded. So if you check that index.html, if you double click it here, you can see the code if you need to. So that's basically all you need to do in order to upload HTML file to your Hostinger. If you have any question, leave a comment, make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.